All right, we're going to go through Friday's mornings on the YM here, the RTH Open for 3/7/2025. We had a gap down again, back up and down. So figure it's going to continue to do that because the market continues to do what it likes to do. So we had a breakout down, and the market really couldn't make any more lows after the pre-market on the open. So started to move its way up, and there's a couple of things here. I'm not sure if you would have tried to sell this back down on the open here. Probably wouldn't want to try to do that. You might have got in here with this little double and then it failed, so that would have could have been a little loss right there. Not a problem. Once everything moved above the X rock here, so we have the white dash line. Once it ever moved above, this is where I like to start looking, and you get this little pullback, and it was going up over the highway here, and this is a good spot to go long. So basically we had one leg, second leg, so this is a third leg up here, and then at this point here I probably would have tried to short here with this spot here, since it was a wedge top, so 3 legs, 3 moves up, and so that's probably a good way to go there, but realistically if you're playing, you want to look and see we have a higher low, so, and then we still have a lower high in regards to our last high up here. Since these weren't making highs, they were just grinding its way up. So once we got a lower high and then a lower low, this here would have been a really good sell opportunity. So here on the break of this bar here, and that would have been a 4-bar win, so an easy win. Also, since this is one of our reversal patterns here, this would have been a pretty good little move here, moving up. So those would have been good moves, something to take. We also have this double bottom here. You can see we have a double bottom here with these two. That could be something to take, but a better option would be to play this coming over the highway here, and you're above the X rock, and it fails to go down here. So at this point, maybe not that first one, but those double dojis, this would have been a good spot to go long. I think that's where I caught my long this morning. So it was a short, easy win up right there. And then we were sitting here, and I thought it was going to reverse off of these, when it filled the gap and our spans, and it kind of popped its way through, and it looked like it was going to suck itself right into that pink span. So whenever that pink span price gets close, it becomes a vacuum to it. So it like popped its way up, but it didn't quite make it. And then you see here, I'll show you again, here's our reversal pattern, and it came back down under our X rock. So this is our rate of change, right? And then it came under, and we made this double top, but we have some major divergence, but not just that it actually came underneath our rate of change there. And so this would have been a good place to go short right there for that, and that's where I caught that secondary run there, and that was pretty good. Ended up making my day right there. And again, anytime the market makes those moves like that, that's what you want to look at. So we got a lower low and another possible lower high here, and that actually paid out. I don't know if there's some news or something going on. So there's a lot of dojis right there, but again, lower high, and then we get a higher low. So even if you were in on that, you probably would have maybe got out there on that little bar, but if not, that could have been, oh, there, it gave you a little option there. But at this point, see, we're creating that reversal effect there. So something to take a look at. And another lower high here. So, and we're getting towards bottom now, so it's trying to take out those lows. And gets another one, another lower high. So again, and now it's that we failed to go any lower, I would be careful with selling and looking to buy. So if we get a higher high and then a higher low, then you can buy those up. So so that's how you want to play it. And like I said, here's another reversal pattern. These are like I said, if you just can be patient enough to wait, you get this market moving up here. It comes back to that X rock, and we have levels even, so that makes it even more. And this actually got a really big bounce. You could have got a really good trade out of that. So but that's that reversal pattern, and it works very well. So all right, I hope that works. See you on the next one.